Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we've got something really exciting for you, especially if you're looking for the best outdoor toy for toddlers.
We're diving into the Growsland Splash Pad, a fantastic way to keep your little ones cool and entertained this summer.
Stick around as we explore why this could be the perfect addition to your backyard fun. The Growsland Splash Pad is designed to turn your backyard into a mini water park for toddlers.
It's not just any sprinkler. It's a 67-inch inflatable wading pool that's perfect for kids aged 3 to 9 years old.
And let me tell you,
it's more than just a sprinkler. It's a whole water adventure. So, what makes this splash pad so special?
First off, it's super easy to set up. You simply hook it up to your garden hose, adjust the water pressure to your liking, and voila! Instant water fun for the kids.
It's like having your own mini water park in your backyard. Safety is always a priority, especially when it comes to our little ones.
The Growsland Splash Pad is made from durable, environmentally friendly PVC material.
It's been rigorously tested for safety and durability, so you can rest assured that your kids are playing on something that's built to last.
Now, let's talk about the features. One of the coolest things about this splash pad is its adjustable water height. Depending on the age and size of your child, you can easily control the spray height by adjusting your garden hose, making it safe and enjoyable for toddlers and older kids alike. Parents, listen up.
This isn't just fun for the kids, it's convenient for you too.
The Growsland Splash Pad sets up in seconds, which means less time fussing with complicated setups and more time enjoying the sunshine with your family. It's a win-win. Speaking of which, let's hear what other parents are saying about this product.
Now, you might be wondering how this compares to other similar products on the market.
Well, with its generous size, durable construction, and affordable price point,
the Growsland Splash Pad stands out as a top choice for families looking to create lasting summer memories without breaking the bank. So, if you're on the hunt for the best outdoor toy for toddlers this summer, look no further than the Growsland Splash Pad. It's fun, it's safe, and most importantly, it's designed to bring smiles and laughter to your little ones' faces.
Check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay cool and enjoy the sunshine.